Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars, sometimes even reaching $189,000 or more? Well, today I'm going to share a strategy with you. It's simple. Choose a top-notch offer, share it on Facebook, and earn. But hold up. Before we dive into the details, show some love by smashing that like button below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. Ready to learn? Let's go. First step, go to CPAGrip.com and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. This website is where you'll find all the tools and offers we talked about. When you sign up, you get access to everything you need to start making money with CPA offers. It's quick, easy, and doesn't cost anything. With your account, you can track your progress and choose from a wide range of offers. CpaGrip.com sets you up for success in online earning. Don't miss out on this chance to get started on your journey to making money online. Second step. Once you've logged in, head to the Offer Tools section and then click on My Offers. This will bring you to a page where you can explore a range of offers available on the platform. These offers provide you with opportunities to promote products or services and earn money based on specific actions taken by your audience. It's your chance to find offers that align with your audience's interests and start earning from their interactions. Before selecting any offer from this platform, head over to a website known as Linktree. Third step, sign up for Linktree, a versatile tool that streamlines your CPA, cost per action, offers into one central hub accessible through a single link. This platform simplifies the process for your audience by consolidating multiple offers in a convenient location, eliminating the need to navigate through various links. With Linktree, managing and sharing your CPA offers becomes effortless, allowing you to focus on promoting your content effectively. By providing a centralized hub for your offers, Linktree enhances your promotional efforts and improves audience engagement. Take advantage of this tool to maximize the impact of your CPA campaigns and make it easier for your audience to explore and engage with your offers. Join Linktree today and experience the benefits of simplified offer management and enhanced audience interaction. Fourth step, once you're on the Linktree website, click the Sign Up Free button. Then, type in your username and email to create your free account. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. From there, you can add new links by clicking on Add New Link. Next, visit the CpaGrip website to choose CPA offers for different countries. For example, select any country and choose a pay gift card offer. Copy the title and paste it as the title in Linktree. Then, copy the link from CpaGrip and paste it as the link. Fifth step. If you find the URL looks risky or excessively long, there's an easy fix. Visit the tinyURL website. Once there, paste your long CPA link into the provided space. tinyURL will generate a shorter, safer version for you to use. After creating the tinyURL, copy it and return to Linktree. Replace the original unsafe URL with the new tinyURL. Now, your link will appear much safer and more manageable. This ensures that your audience can click on it with confidence. By using tinyURL, you streamline the process and make it easier for your audience to engage with your content. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the professionalism and reliability of your links. So don't hesitate to utilize this handy tool for a smoother online experience. Sixth step. Now, what you want to do is add more CPA offers for different countries. Return to CpaGrip, but this time select another country. Then, choose another gift card offer and repeat the same process to add it to your list. As you can see, I've added several CPA offers for various countries. You'll want to do the same thing and create a list similar to mine. Next, we'll add a country flag to each offer, which will help us engage with people more easily. Click on Thumbnail and select Upload your thumbnail. You can find a country flag icon or PNG file by searching on Google. Once you've downloaded it, upload it here. Repeat this process for each country, downloading and uploading their respective flags. 7th step. Once you've finalized your list and added the flags, click on Share and copy the provided link. This allows you to preview how others will view it. When users click on any offer, they'll be directed to your CPA offer seamlessly. With our link tree now set up with various CPA links, we're ready to engage our audience. But rather than simply asking them to check out the link and claim rewards, we'll employ a clever approach to spark their interest. By crafting compelling messages and providing enticing teasers, we can encourage them to click on our link. This strategic approach not only piques their curiosity, but also increases the likelihood of them taking action. It's all about engaging our audience in a way that feels genuine and compelling, leading to higher conversion rates and greater success in our CPA campaigns. 8th step. All right, let's get right to it. To bring people to our page, go to Facebook. In the search bar, type things like shopping and coupons. This will show groups about shopping and coupons. Look for ones with lots of members. Join a few of these groups. 9th step, once you're in the group, it's time to make a post. Remember, we're not going to directly ask people to click on our link to win an Amazon gift card. Instead, we'll engage them in a different way. You can say something like, "Ever wondered how I saved $1,000 on Amazon? We all shop online these days, but what if you could save big without spending a fortune? It's possible. If you want to learn more, like this post, share it with your friends, and send me a message with your country name. I'll send you all the details." Notice we're not including any links in the post to avoid being blocked. Also, we're asking for their country name for 2 reasons. First, it's a way to start a conversation with them. Second, once they send their country name, we'll know which offers to show them. If we don't have offers for their country in our link tree, we'll add them from CpaGrip. This way, we can turn our traffic into leads. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize CPA offers to generate income through targeted engagement on social media platforms like Facebook. We hope you found these strategies helpful in your journey towards earning online. Now, we're curious, which country's CPA offer are you most interested in exploring first on CpaGrip? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insightful content on boosting your income. Until next time, happy earning!